Hi guys, I am reviewing this lovely little product and it is small but mighty. So instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a laser vacuum, basically designed by Dyson, for example, this little device is, first of all, you can charge it using USB, and I have these two different colors. One it's purple, one it's black. And the instruction is very, very simple. So basically you just attach it to like the corner of your existing vacuum cleaner. You really can use it with pretty much any machine. So more importantly, I'm going to show you what it looks like on wooden floor that you think it's clean, but it's really not. All right, let's test on the wooden floor. So again, can you see right here? My goodness, this is just crazy. With the lights off, it looks super clean in this area, but it's really not. Now I can change to the second setting. It's even brighter. And the third one. Wow, just look at all that is being revealed. It's absolutely nuts. It absolutely helps you clean up your house even more, especially if you have pets and little kids running around. And thirdly, it's really easy to attach this little device. And it comes with multiple of these Velcros you can use right away. And it's made for each other, obviously. So have fun. Let me know what you guys think.
Bought this light from Amazon. I think it was like 17 bucks. Anyways, the Bahuun, whatever. So you attach it to your vacuum like this. And I was thinking, what's all the fuss, But anyway, so on the floor right here, you can see it looks pretty clean. But watch this. Hang on, let me just leave it down here. I didn't really have to turn the vacuum on, but the point is, look at that.
On today's episode of So You Thought Your Floor Was Clean, check this out. This is with a regular light, and then I will show you what it looks like with the vacuum cleaner illuminator light. Okay, I have shut the light off. I'm going to turn the illuminator light on with my stick vac. Look at that. Check it out. It even lit up a footprint right there. So this is the reason that I also stick it on my steam mop. This so that it lights up all the places that I not only need to vacuum, but do some extra cleaning. So I'm calling this my I Missed a Spotlight. 5 stars.
This rechargeable light for your vacuum makes it very easy to see crumbs or anything on the floor, so you can easily vacuum the floor without missing any of the dust. As you can see, it's hard to see the particles on the floor without the light on. Now let me turn the light on, and the light has 3 settings for brightness. It's rechargeable. Look at the difference.
that there's 3 adjustable brightness modes. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. In this case, instead of my Dyson, which already has the light attached on this side here, we're gonna stick it onto my vacuum here and wet mop.
This is how well this light works. I just mopped yesterday, but my husband and grandchildren have been in the house, so obviously they brought dirt back in. I love how I can see it to get it vacuumed back up.
So I vacuum weekly. We just bought this green light. As you can see, works better than you could ever imagine and shows you all the things you should be cleaning all along.